So in this video, you'll learn how to enable USB debugging on your Samsung Galaxy A07. The first step when it comes to enabling USB debugging is to ensure that auto blocker is currently turned off. In order for you to turn it off, you need to navigate to settings, and then under settings, you want to scroll and select the option security and privacy. From here, look for auto blocker and just tap on the toggle next to it to turn it off. You'll be prompted to confirm your choice by entering in your PIN, password or pattern, so go ahead and do so. Once you've turned off auto blocker, you then want to go back to the main settings menu, and you want to scroll even further down and select developer options. If you don't see developer options, it means you don't have it turned on. So if you're curious as to how you're going to turn it on, I'll leave a video linked in the description down below taking you through that process. Once you have developer options enabled, you're then going to select it. From here, scroll and look for USB debugging, and once you find it, just tap on the toggle to enable it. You'll be prompted to confirm that you wish to turn it on, so go ahead and select OK. And once you've done that, it means that you've successfully turned on USB debugging on your Galaxy A07. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.